During our Agra tour, after Fatehpur Sikri, the next destination I was going to visit was Taj Mahal.
है बेटा
क्या?
मुगलों ने साउथ में राज नहीं किया,
नहीं किया।
इधर किया
साउथ
राजस्थान।
If you want to hire a guide near Taj Mahal, these are the tarifs. From the entrance gate to the Taj Mahal, you can either opt for a golf cart or you can walk. I actually opted for a golf cart because it was very sunny and bright and hot. Now, these are the ticket fees for the foreigners, Indians, and the SAARC country visitors. As seen in all countries, the foreigners will have to pay much higher than Indian residents to enter Taj Mahal. My guide was getting a bottle of water and shoe cover to enter Taj Mahal. Now, this is the way by which we enter Taj Mahal. There is a security check and they will check all your bags. And I went to Taj Mahal after the Pahalgam attack, so the security check was very tight and they didn't allow any big backpacks or big handbags. Only smaller handbags were allowed inside.
So this is VIP entrance. This is exit. And this one is the gate for public gate. Okay.
वो तो दूर जाती है, वो दिखाने के लिए, वो तो पैसे गिर जाते हैं, तो बताने का कि करने के लिए।
This is a description of how Taj Mahal was made. My guide was basically telling me to take a photo from that point. But because of crowd and bright sunny weather, it was impossible to get a frame of Taj Mahal through that door. This is how Taj Mahal looks after coming out of the doorway.
मैं गाना डालूंगी फिर चलना है मैं बोलूँगी ऐसे यदि मैं मेरा
हाँ बस पहुँचा 2 मिनट।
क्या हुआ?
Before here was the Persian garden,
Okay.
like Irani design. You have seen the Persian garden somewhere? No? The Persian garden there, more nature. This is English garden. When the British came here, they changed all the design.
Okay.
So nowadays in the city, nowadays, the 10th generation of the 20,000 workers is still working. Father to son to grandson to grandson, it's a family job.
Okay. All these 20,000 workers, they were from
From Agra, from local.
from Agra, local. Okay. Only the main person was from Persia.
Main architect,
Main
designer,
architect. Okay.
few craftsmen,
Okay.
master craftsmen. They
Master
work
craftsman, they were Persia.
from Persia, from Mongolia, from Turkey, and about 220 millions rupees is spent over the Taj Mahal 360 years ago.
Okay.
If you count now, maybe
Now
billions dollars.
billions.
From bottom to top, 43 feet height of Taj Mahal, about 80 meters. 80 meters, 120 meters, and there are 4 towers in each corner. Actually, this kind of tower is the most important in Muslims for religious purpose. Okay? You know very well. But here, King used the 4 towers in each corner for the decoration, for the beauty, and for the perfect symmetry.
Oh.
But from here you can see that each tower looks straight. Actually not, because each tower leaning outside. Each tower leaning outside. Why? Because the architect was very clever, wise man. He had plan of future. In case in future, sometime the earthquake will come. So
Okay.
it's never fall on tomb. It will fall down outside.
Okay.
So this is the main mausoleum. It was not for the living purpose. Now see the both side of the mausoleum, the red color buildings, right?
Yes.
Both side it was same design, same size. It was for the symmetrically balanced.
Okay.
But left side building face to the Mecca, which is the holy place of Islam in Saudi Arabia.
Oh.
That's why he makes mosque. Other side, people cannot use as a mosque.
Okay.
Why? Because the face is wrong way. It doesn't face to Mecca. But now it's empty. At that time it was used as a royal guest house. So the white color symbol of peace and the white marble Taj Mahal. And now see the writing of Quran. क्लोज देखिएगा ब्लैक कलर में अरबी में सर ठीक है ब्लैक अरबी में लिखा हुआ है कुरान का आयत। तो देखने में ऐसा लगता है कि पेंट किया है या कलर है, लेकिन कलर नहीं है, पेंट नहीं है। डिफरेंट स्टोन वाइट मार्बल को काट कर दूसरा पत्थर फिक्स किया गया है। ब्लैक ऑनिक्स फ्रॉम बेल्जियम, 3 years कैरी फ्रॉम बेल्जियम टू हियर बाय हॉर्सेस। रेड कलर स्टोन कॉर्नेलियन फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान, ग्रीन एगेट फ्रॉम ईरान, येलो ऑनिक्स फ्रॉम टर्की, लेपिस लेजुली टर्क्वाइज फ्रॉम साउथ अफ्रीका, सी शेल फ्रॉम श्रीलंका। No color, no painting, all the style.
Only stones.
And now see the metal part on the top. The half moon is symbol of Islam. Up of the moon, the one heart shape. In heart shape written Allah in Arabic, it means God. And चांद के नीचे देखिए छोटा बॉल है, जैनिज्म, जैन
ये इनके अंदर कॉमन चीज़ है। चांदनी रात में सारे पत्थर चमकते हैं।
इसके नीचे वाइन पॉट है।
This is the half crescent moon the guide was talking about.
Babur's son Humayun, who was the second Mughal king, tomb in Delhi. Third was Akbar, tomb in Agra, 15 kilometers from city center on Delhi Road.
Okay.
Fourth was Jahangir, tomb in Lahore in Pakistan.
Oh.
Fifth was Shah Jahan, tomb in the Taj Mahal with his wife. Sixth was Aurangzeb, tomb in Aurangabad in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Last of seventh Mughal was Bahadur Shah. But bad luck, he was hanged by British in Rangoon, the capital of Myanmar. At that time, each members of the Mughal they killed by British. Then the British used to come in India from the Kolkata side by East India Company, trading company for business purpose.
Okay.
But slowly they capture everything in India. So divide and rule. This was the policy of English. Then they spent 250 years in India. Taj Mahal. Do you know what is the means of Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is not a Hindi word, not an English word. Taj Mahal is a Persian word.
Okay.
The Taj, which means is crown.
Crown
Mahal is a palace.
palace. Crown palace.
So the man who built the Taj Mahal, he had 3 wives.
Okay.
Sarhind Begum, Fatehpuri Begum, Arjuman Banu. All 3 was beautiful. They were from Iran, from Persia. But in 3 wives, only one was favorite of king.
Okay.
Why only one was favorite? Because only one wife she gave children to emperor. Children is the more important in our culture. That's why she was favorite.
Okay.
Her real name was Arjuman Banu. Her title was Mumtaz Mahal.
Oh.
So when she get married with the king, 19 years old, and king was 21 years old,
Oh.
too young.
Two.
But bad luck, after marriage, she spent only 20 years as a marriage life. In 20 years, she gave 14
14
children.
children.
And during the delivery time of last child, she was died in 1630. So King Shah Jahan, he was very sad because he made a promise to build something special for the wife. Bad luck, she was died before. So after a few months of her death, he made a plan of Taj Mahal with Isha Ahmad. This was the name of the main designer of Taj Mahal. The man, he was from Iran. Very old man, between 75 to 80 years old. And now the population in the city about 5 millions. But 360 years ago, population was in thousands. Few population was. So that time in the city, everywhere the people doing by hand. Sometimes someone asked him, "What are you doing?" "Oh, I am doing for Taj Mahal." Because at that time, everybody was doing for Taj Mahal. So wife of Shah Jahan, she was died in 1630. After 1 year, 1631, the construction of Taj Mahal started by Shah Jahan for memory of his wife after her death. Remember, 1631 to 1653, this was the period of the construction of Taj Mahal. It means about 22 years took to build. And a whole complex in same time. 17 years for the white portion, 5 years red portion.
Okay.
But what was the more important thing? Before we start the foundation of Taj Mahal, the designer or architect of Taj Mahal, he had already planned, I have to spend only 22 years, not less than 22, not more than 22. Because 22 is a holy number of Islam. Why is holy number? Because if you will open the Quran on 22nd chapter, there is the special chapter of Quran we call the heart of Quran. That's why he chose the 22 years. And put in prison in Agra Fort. So Shah Jahan, when he was prison there, he watching Taj Mahal from there and remembering his wife. But bad luck, after 8 years, he was died by natural death. Now both are, king and queen, both are buried here. You will see inside the tomb of queen, which is in central, because this was in the plan.
This was a well from which water was drawn during ancient period. If you are planning to enter the Taj Mahal, you will have to wear a shoe cover. Remember the shoe cover we got from the entrance. As my guide has mentioned earlier, these colored designs are not paints but stones from different countries.
पत्थर का काम, साड़ी का काम, लेदर बहुत फेमस है. लेदर सुना हुआ. खाने में पेठा है. पेठा इज फ्रॉम पंपकिन.
One cannot take videos or photographs inside the main tomb. What you can see inside is the tomb of Mumtaz in the center and that of Shah Jahan towards the side.
Any more photos near?
No need.
This is actually River Yamuna behind the Taj Mahal.
Transfer shift किया.
Oh, there.
यहाँ से.
Okay.
With respect.
Okay.
Because Shah Jahan, he was a nice guy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at eagle.
मैम आपने उसको जानते हैं आप? One scientist in US, Albert Einstein. जानते हैं?
Albert
आइए
Einstein.
एक तस्वीर दिखाता हूँ. बाय नेचुरल है ये. आपको जो इसका जो कैमरा है फोन वाला ये है.
My guide was saying that you can actually see the picture of Albert Einstein near the back gate of Taj Mahal.
And the sun, early morning, sun coming out. The color of Taj Mahal light pink,
Okay.
daytime more brightly.
Okay.
Then the sun will go down, evening, dark pink. And when the full moon in night looks milky white.
Because of the painting, it may look like there is a depression in the middle, but if you come closer and feel, you can see that there is no depression, but it's a flat surface.
One, respect,
Okay. Okay.
two, इज्जत,
So 3 layers में है.
अब उनका रास्ता कहाँ से है? आपने दो का रास्ता तो देख लिया,
हाँ.
तीसरे का रास्ता मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. देखिए पूरे राउंड लगा देना ताजमहल का.
हाँ.
एक पत्थर सबसे बड़ा है, इतना बड़ा कोई भी पत्थर नहीं है.
हाँ.
ये पिलर रखा हुआ है, ये देखो इतना बड़ा पत्थर नहीं और देखा है आपको? क्योंकि ये असली सोमाली के जाने का रास्ता है. 25 साल पहले 25 ईयर्स अगो देयर वाज अ वुड लकड़ी का लगा हुआ है.
Okay.
उसको उठा के वाइट मार्बल, ठीक है, और वही समाधियों के नीचे जाता है.
So basically, my guide was telling that the tomb is in 3 layers, and what we actually see inside the mausoleum is not the actual tomb. Actual tomb is actually below the main surface area. After the visit, we took a golf cart back to the main entrance. It cost somewhere around 20 rupees for one person. After visiting the beautiful and magnificent Taj Mahal, we were now going to a restaurant to have lunch. So I had my lunch from this Pinch of Spice restaurant, which was recommended by my guide and driver. Food was good enough for 2 people, so I took the remaining with me as parcel for dinner.